Welcome to a short demonstration on automating data transformation using AutoPrep Snap. We will learn how SnapLogic AutoPrep Snap helps perform common data transformations without writing expressions. In this video, we will understand how to flatten a composite structure, rename a field, and change the data type of a column. AutoPrep Snap displays data preview in a tabular format. With AutoPrep, you can quickly flatten any hierarchy, rename, remove, or split columns, change data types, handle null values, and mask data. Let us understand how to flatten a composite structure using test data. AutoPrep operates on JSON data. For simplicity, in this example pipeline, we start with a JSON file. Let's look at the structure of this source JSON file. In this sample data, notice that address is a composite field with children that include specifics like house number, street address, city, state, and zip code. We will flatten address to query and sort the data by state. Click the AutoPrep Snap. The Manage Fields tab opens in the AutoPrep window. In the Preview Data table, scroll to the Address column. Hover over an address value to view all subfields, Children, under Address field. Under Flattened Structure, select Address and click Update. The Preview Data table displays a preview of the flattened fields. Scroll to the right to confirm that all the child fields have their own columns. However, each new column has address prepended to its name. Now, let's rename a field. For this video, we will rename the Address State column. Click the Options menu represented by the three dots and select Rename. In the Rename dialog box, update the column name and click Apply. Notice that the column name has been updated. Similarly, we can change the data type of a column. We will change the data type for address zip code to integer. Click the Options menu and from the Data Type options, select Integer. You can check the changes in the Preview Data table. The changes can be confirmed. Navigate to the Review Summary tab to review the transformations. Notice that all the changes done so far are listed here. To undo a change, click the trash icon next to that change. You can also edit a change by clicking the Edit icon next to the trash icon. If everything looks good, click Done, and AutoPrep saves all the changes. Let's open the output document to verify that AutoPrep performs the transformations we configured. Note that the address fields have been flattened and we have our renamed state column. In this video, we learned how to use AutoPrep to flatten a composite structure, rename a field, and change the data type of a column.